Welcome back, YouTube. Today I got a video for you, something to save you a couple of bucks and make you some horsepower in the process. So for anybody that's already guessing what we're doing here, that's right. Maybe you guessed right, maybe you guessed wrong. We are going to put in a drop-in filter. You're probably thinking, oh, it's all gimmicky, it's all this and that. It's not. On here, 50% more airflow. That's the main thing we're looking for, is airflow. There's going to be some horsepower here as well. Sitting here and what's in there, most places advertise real world on a dyno, you'll see about 7 to 10 horsepower just from this modification, and it only costs $50 to $60. Now in comparison, you can get a whole air intake assembly, which a lot of people do. That's going to run you $300 to $400. It's going to be $60, and those air intakes usually about 10 to 15 horsepower difference. So only like a 3 to 5 horsepower difference overall. But with that video specifically about 18 and 22 Mustangs, the inlet air temperature is going to be a lot lower with the stock air box. Meaning, with those open intakes, it's going to heat soak more, and you're actually going to lose some power down the line with a lot of those intakes. So you may make it all of it for 1 or 2 pulls, but this is going to reliably make the horsepower, and this is going to help it. Before we get too far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Mustang content. Again, I do modifications on this car and any other car that was on the channel before, and I also do updates on Mustang news and everything like that, Ford news. We're going to start by getting this off. This is just a 7 mil. Loosen this up here, clip here, unclip that, and just watch for these little tabs right here. You got to make sure these come out nicely. So lift this up. So we can get to the stock air box now. We're just going to pull this out. Go ahead and pull this out here. Alrighty. Look at the two filters side by side. You can tell, first off, this is dirty. What kind of, I got bugs and stuff in there. How dirty this is. Oh yeah. These paper filters you have to get rid of, get new ones all the time. You can just wash this off whenever, you know. I think this is an oiled one, maybe not. You can just wash this off, but just looking at the two, you could tell this is gonna flow a lot better. Look at the little grooves in between. Look how much slimmer it is. Look how fat this is. It's got a lot of dirt in between. It's catching everything in there, so it's all airflow. With the airflow, I should get a little bit better throttle response with this, and I'll put that video again from Steeda in here. And the power that was made between the stock one, and it was their green one, the green filter, but I just used the K&N just because, like I said, it's gonna be the easiest install ever. Just gonna drop this right back in here, lift this up, drop this right back in, see if we feel a difference, see if we hear anything different, because you know we still got that sound tube. And yeah, all right, so out on the road, first impressions, I'm not gonna lie, I can't notice a thing. Not necessarily, it's only, like I said, about 7 horsepower, but it's the airflow that we're really looking for. It's gonna complement future things that we do. Now, unless you were to get like a supercharger or something like that, or turbos, then an intake would be more beneficial. But on an NA car, when you have minimal mods, something like this, instead of spending money on $300–400 for an intake, a whole intake kit, you can spend $50 to $60 on a drop-in filter and get the same results. With that being said, you're probably not going to see big results from just an intake either, so just keep that in mind. I don't really hear any intake noise. Is it worth it to spend another $250 to $300 for 5 horsepower? For me, in this situation, no. Now, if you're going for an all-out build, maybe. We'll do like a little second gear hit if they let me. I'm bad at that. My butt dyno might be broke or not, I don't know. Like the right small gain for the amount of money you're spending, as opposed to spending, again, that $250 to $300 to see the same minimal gain. Just doesn't. How'd that happen? Not that easy install. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video or any other video you've seen on the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day. Stay tuned for that Mustang reveal tonight.